Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3595 East Ridge Run in Canandaigua.
This is a spectacular Canandaigua dream home with a resort lifestyle.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
There's nothing like a grand entrance with a two-story foyer, with side lights and a stunning window. Open to a formal living room with a box window and a gorgeous gas fireplace. And an elegant dining room with classic columns, all with beautiful maple floors.
Imagine entertaining in this state-of-the-art cook's kitchen. With custom Mauser cabinetry, granite countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances from Sub-Zero to Wolf, and beautiful tile floors. Open to the dining area with a sliding glass door to the pool, and an expansive family room with a bay window and a gas fireplace with a decorative mantel, all with great natural light. The first floor also features an executive office or potential bedroom with an adjacent full bathroom and laundry. This is the ultimate finished lower level with every activity possible. Starting with a modern industrial style bar, perfect for grabbing a drink. A media area with a gas fireplace with a stone surround. A gaming area, great for cards or pool. All with your own private gym and a convenient adjacent full bathroom.
The upstairs features 5 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors and 2 full bathrooms with heated floors, including this luxurious owner's suite with crown molding, a bay window, a walk-in closet, and a spa bathroom with a double vanity, towel shower, and soaking tub. This architect-designed home is quality built with maintenance-free living and spectacular updates.
Enjoy this resort-style backyard, perfect for entertaining and summertime fun. With an outdoor kitchen with a Gen Air grill, a gunite in-ground pool with a waterfall and a relaxing hot tub. Tons of seating and sunbathing areas, all fully fenced in with multiple sheds for storage and scenic woods.
This property has a premier location at the end of the road within an estate-sized 1.5-acre lot and adjacent to the Canandaigua Yacht Club. Canandaigua Lake access is just steps away. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3595 East Ridge Run in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!